Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to download and install Microsoft Teams on Windows 11. Whether you're using it for work, school, or online meetings, I'll walk you through every step so you can get Teams app and running in no time. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for Microsoft Teams download. Click the official Microsoft link that says Download Microsoft Teams. Once you're on the page, select Download for desktop, then choose Windows 11. After the file downloads, open that to start the Teams setup. Follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will automatically install Teams on your computer. When it's done, open Microsoft Teams from your desktop or Start menu. Now, click Sign In and enter your Microsoft account, email, and password. If your organization gave you login credentials, use those instead. Once sign in, you'll see your Teams dashboard, where you can chat, join meetings, or create channels. And that's how you download and install Microsoft Teams on Windows. You're now ready to collaborate, chat, and join video calls with this. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. See you in the next one.